Do you enjoy raspberry drinks? Well, if so, you're in the right place. Here are 5 easy and tasty raspberry mocktail recipes. First up, the raspberry bee's knees. This one tastes sweet and fruity. For this drink, you will need some honey simple syrup. You can make this by boiling 1 part honey to 1 part hot water. This makes honey easier to use in drinks. Next, grab a cocktail shaker and add 50 ml honey simple syrup, 50 ml lemon juice, and 8 raspberries. Give this all a quick muddle, and strain it into a fancy glass. This is always a favourite non-alcoholic recipe. Filled with ice. Then just top with lemonade or soda water. Garnish with a lemon wheel, and if you have any left, some raspberries. Secondly, the Raspberry Autumn Bramble. This one is sweet and a fun taste of autumn. Take a shaker and add, you guessed it, 8 raspberries, 50 ml lime juice, and 100 ml apple juice. Then give it a muddle and strain into a small glass with ice. And garnish with some apple slices. They turn brown quick, so make sure to take a picture fast. Thirdly, a very simple drink, the vanilla raspberry spritz. The hint of vanilla gives this one a sweet raspberry ice cream kind of taste. Take a shaker and add 50 ml lemon juice, 8 raspberries, and 10 milliliters of vanilla syrup. Then muddle. Next, strain into a long glass of ice and top with lemonade. Although the drink looks awesome like this, make sure to stir before you drink it. Fourthly, the raspberry lemonade. Another tasty, simple and refreshing mocktail. Take a long glass and add 8 raspberries and crush them with a muddler. Then add 100 milliliters of ginger ale and 100 milliliters of lemonade. Top with ice, and then garnish with a raspberry or a lemon wheel. Lastly, we have the Rojito. This drink works really well, especially if you're like me and love a mojito. Take a long glass and add 8 raspberries, some mint leaves, 50 milliliters of simple syrup, and 50 ml lime juice. To release the oils and flavours, give the drink a crush with a muddler. Then add ice, and then lastly top with soda water. Refreshing! Make sure to decorate your drink with a mint sprig. There we go! 5 easy raspberry mocktails. Let us know your favourites in the comments below. And if you plan to make any of these recipes, make sure to give the video a like. Thank you for watching these Boozehive recipes. We'll see you in the next drink.